harissa marinated chicken with labneh, cumin. So we just dry roast the spices. Now we'll make the most beautiful part of the dish, which is the labneh. So for the labneh, we'll take hunkered. We add like a generous amount of olive oil. Add a little bit of salt. And we just whisk it together. We've got the labneh ready. So what we'll do is, in a pan, we'll just cook our chicken now. Then we'll just start cooking the chicken on its own without the marination. And the broccoli that we are cooking for this chicken, we can add it at the same time. So we've got some blanched broccoli. We can add it in the same pan. It absorbs the juices that the chicken is leaving also to give nice flavor. And to plate this, we'll take a generous helping of the labneh. So once the chicken is nicely seared and we are almost done with it, now we'll add the harissa. So we'll take the harissa, we'll just slightly smear it over the chicken. And then on top of the labneh, we'll start plating the chicken. So then the broccoli also adds value to the plate. And now what we'll do is, while searing the chicken, now you see this slight browning that has happened here. Correct? That is all the flavors of the chicken that has got stuck. So we'll deglaze this pan with some orange juice. To deglaze, so that will just get all the flavors of the chicken aside. Then we'll add a little touch of little more of the harissa paste to make the sauce for the chicken. And then we'll add a little bit of butter. And we'll just drizzle a bit of this sauce on top. And garnish it with microgreens